Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pooja and today I am going to share my real experience how to use ChatGPT. This video is not promotion of ChatGPT. No, this is ChatGPT is very helpful to your improve your English because I personally use ChatGPT and today I will share some amazing techniques. If definitely you will use these techniques in your daily life, definitely you improve your English. And today I am not only I share my personal, you can see now. Look at this app is chat. I think show is clear. This screen is not clear, but look at this is ChatGPT. You can see ChatGPT, you write them and speak whenever whatever you how to use, but you can use easily and free. This is free of cost to use. And I know I have no personally I have no books for readings especially related to spoken English, and every day I use ChatGPT and please give me one passage and amazing vocabulary. And look at this. Every day I read one passage and learn new vocabulary. So ChatGPT is very helpful. And sometimes you have no partner, but you want to talk to other people. Use AI. Look at this. Maybe you can see this passage. Yes, this passage and amazing vocabulary. You can see. I know screen is not clear visible, but you can see easily and learn these vocabulary and try to make some sentences. And this option, side corner, this option.
Hey there, great to see you. Let me know what you'd like to do next.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Yeah, I'm good. I am a beginner and I don't know where to start my speaking. Please help me.
Absolutely, I'd love to help you with that. We can start with some simple phrases and daily conversation practice. Just let me know what kind of situations you'd like to practice and we'll take it step by step.
It's used very easy. You talk to with AI, and if you want to learn new phrases but you have no material, it's okay. You open your ChatGPT and search them. Imagine you want to learn present indefinite tense, but you have no book. Simply open the ChatGPT and ChatGPT is very helpful. You talk to AI teacher, like teacher, AI teacher. You easily talk to and you easily search daily passage, vocabulary. This app very helpful to learn everything. And I hope you are understand everything. And I will meet you my next amazing video. And I know you are a beginner and you watch many videos but you have no idea where to start. Please go and download this app ChatGPT and start your learning. This app is very totally free. You can use easily and improve your English. And I hope you are